How to permanently delete your Snapchat account. This tutorial shows you how to remove your Snapchat account for good on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner to open your Snapchat settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Delete Account. In the next step, Snapchat will redirect you to a browser page where you'll need to log in again to verify your identity. Following this, enter your Snapchat username and password to sign in and proceed. Once done, you'll be taken to the Delete Account page where all the important information about what happens after deletion is clearly laid out. Make sure to read through it carefully before proceeding. From here, enter your password once more in the field provided to confirm your decision. At this stage, tap on Continue or Delete Account to submit your deletion request. Finally, your account will now enter a 30-day deactivation period before it is permanently deleted. During those 30 days, your account will be deactivated and hidden from other users. If you change your mind, simply log back in within that time to cancel the deletion and restore your account. After the 30 days are up, your account and all your data will be permanently gone and cannot be recovered. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you permanently delete your account, give it a like. Subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.